Easy TikTok plan for beginners. Let's go. This is a full walkthrough, meaning I'm going to be talking a lot, so get your pen and paper because we're going to be busy. Want to post a TikTok, but you have no idea where to start, and there's nothing worse than spending all this time getting on a new platform to see no results. So here's a simple plan. Yes, just like the band that anybody could try out. First thing that you need to know is that TikTok is a discovery platform, meaning you can reach a lot of people that aren't already following you. But what often gets forgotten is creating content for people who are already following you and who are familiar with you. And that content right there for your followers is going to help you grow long term. 2 things to do before you even get started on creating content. Number 1 is picking 2 to 3 topics, what I call core topics. And if you're in the social media space, these 3 core topics might be social media strategy, selling on social media, and community engagement. Second thing you're going to do is choose a format of content you feel comfortable creating. Now, TikTok is a video platform, so you're gonna have to create video of some kind. Me, myself, I prefer talking head like this, mano y mano, if you're just getting started with video content, because believe me, this ain't natural. I'm talking to myself in my freaking car in the backseat. You might want to think about doing voiceover to ease into video content. So what this entails is a series of clips, maybe even show us your process, a day in the life. You're going to add voiceover onto it. Now we're going to create some content, and there are 3 types you should be focusing on. Goal here is to be able to speak to non-followers and your followers. And we're going to use this diagram here, this upside down triangle, or a funnel as we call it in the biz, to show you exactly where non-followers and followers sit and the 3 types of content that speak to each of those groups. Sitting at the top of the funnel is typically your non-followers. So these folks are not search aware. They might not have thumbed in any keywords into the search bar, but they have most likely, like 99.9%, have engaged with content like yours in the past. So they've liked, saved, shared, or commented on. The TikTok algorithm is showing them similar content based on their interests. So here you want to create that highly searchable, easy to categorize content. Example topic for a social media manager could be easy TikTok plan. The second type of content can be for non-followers and followers. These folks are typically search aware, so they are typing something into the search bar, a specific brand, business, or concept. You want to think about creating content that's a little bit more specific. Topic example for a social media manager might be simple TikTok plan for beginners. Similar to the top of funnel topic, but now I am specifying my ideal target audience. And lastly, the content that is sitting at the core of the funnel is for your followers. These folks are invested in you specifically, and they're now going directly to your page to scroll to find specific content that they want to watch. Can we get search functionality on profiles though? That's what I'm saying, TikTok. That is what I'm saying. Okay. And here you're going to want to create personalized content. And the easiest way to do that is to respond to a comment with a video. And if you don't have any comments yet because you're just getting started on TikTok, you can actually respond to comments with a video on other people's comments. To summarize, you're going to pick 2 to 3 core topics, select a format that works for you, and then you're going to start creating 3 types of content. Highly searchable, industry specific, and personalized. Once you've mapped that out, talk to me in the comments about your next steps.